Right, as you can see, we've just got up. No, you can't see, but we have just got up. We're having breakfast. Crystal's is demolished. Where's your croissant? I mean, all of it. You know, another one.
What do I do with that? Should I just straighten that up?
Yeah. Crystal's just finishing off some neatening some of the
How do you
work.
do this? This is in the way.
You try the scalpel.
I tried it, it's too big. Wait, let me just try again.
Do it. Were you doing it that way or that way?
That way.
Right, do it the other way. But scrape it. Do a scrape. Start here. Start where you and then cut into it. No. Cut into it with a whole knife. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. So this is now part 3 of our cardboard.
We're probably gonna have like.
What?
I don't know what I was gonna say.
This is part 3 of. We're probably gonna have dinner afterwards. Is that what you're going to say?
No.
And we did have a McDonald's last night.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No KFC.
KFC, and it was actually quite satisfying because we were both hungry.
No, basically, I got a Pepsi Max cherry, and my dad said, "Sorry, my hair's a mess, by the way." My dad said, "I'm not gonna finish it all because I got a large." And I drank it all. I drank half of it, like near when we started eating, like the burgers and the popcorn chicken and stuff. And then my dad barely drank his tango.
Yeah, well, that's my first tango for a very, very long time. But I don't encourage anybody to have too much of those tangos and Pepsis. And
Apart from if they've got sparkling water. Is sparkling water good for you?
yeah, because those sort of drinks tend to have a lot of chemicals.
No more sparkling water.
That's fine.
Anyway, ow!
Back to the car. No, we're not going to talk about Crystal's bum. Right. So, as you can see, we've made this much of the car so far. We've done the front, well, not all of the front, but some of the back. And now we're going to add some trim to the wheel arches and the front of the car. So what we need to do...
First of all, can I show you guys something? Right.
Me?
No, these people on watching the video.
Go on.
So, as you can see, I'm going to do a little bit of a, you know...
Have you seen the cardboard anyway? Honestly.
It's next to me, it's getting smaller. So, let me show you something. You see these pliers? Pliers. Right, I'm going to show you. It's a 3-in-1 plier. My dad just showed me this. So, this first bit, it's really flat. It's really like smooth. It's got some grips to it. So, that is for my duck! I found my duck!
That's the duck from part 1.
Oh my god! My duck!
I saved it. You wanted it.
He's creased!
It doesn't matter.
So anyway, the front part
You
is...
chopped up the other one.
I don't care. That one's just stupid. So this one's for gripping things, as so. If you see this, there's like a middle part which is like roundy. So, like for example, the wire we had for the headlight part in the front, my dad used we used our hands, but you could have used this to bend the wire, so it's easier. And then this last bit, it's very dangerous. So don't put your finger in there.
Be careful.
You get this bit, like cardboard or anything, because it's very strong. And you put it in there, right, and it goes pa-chang, and it cuts.
It's not really meant for cardboard. It's meant for wires.
But it's good.
But
It's satisfyingly good. How cool that is. I love that.
Can you stop making a mess, please?
Sorry. Voila! Have you farted again? Yes, you have. I smell something pongy. You fart too many times. Stop, Dad. It stinks of mushy peas. And we haven't even eaten mushy peas. That's the thing. What is wrong with you and your bottom?
Right. Can you
Cut that out.
cut that out? Well, can you draw this? See this line?
Yeah.
Can you draw a line that's about
Wait, I don't understand what you mean.
parallel to this one?
What?
Can you draw a line? Or should I do it on this one? Do that. You have to draw one that's parallel all the way around.
Oh, and all the way from there to there.
Can you do that?
Just to there.
Yeah. Can you do that?
And then join the lines.
Yeah.
And join these lines
Yeah.
here.
I'll join that.
So it's like a big curve.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to draw it as well.
Draw it first. That's not what you drew.
No, this.
Oh. It's like, what on earth is that? Your cutting skills have gone. They need to be recharged.
No. I'm
Do you,
doing
another do you need another croissant?
No, I'm full. I feel like I had that popcorn chicken here.
Why are you putting it in there? This is just going through onto here. Crystal is mentally acute in the morning. Not. Not cute as in ooh, cute. Acute. No.
In a cute angle.
Right,
There we
those
go.
halves. That is not it. Is ah.
I just remember this. There you go.
No. Hello. Happy
No,
smiling.
no, it's a hair wig.
There we go. Hair. If I do hold it a bit further, it might quite look like hair.
Your hairdo.
Bend it a bit.
Why do I feel so short today? I feel like I've
Sure.
lost a foot. No, as in no, not like that. As in like I'm like 4 foot something. I feel like I've gone down a foot. Like I'm 3 foot. Do you get me?
Yeah, but I don't think you have.
I think I have. 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 5. I should make a music video going F4 1 2 3 7 M2
I don't think so.
What are you doing?
That reminds
That
me
is your
of-
hair. What is this meant to be?
It's like the
Bonnet.
no, it's the trim on it. So it looks nice, looks sporty. Can you glupify all that now? Press that one.
Okay, love.
Love? What?
Yeah. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do a little bit more?
No, it's not. It's perfect. It's not good. It's actually perfect.
Nothing's ever perfect.
That's good. Enough to be perfect.
We make a round, round circle. Round, circle, round, round circle. We got the round, round circle. We got the round circle. Do you like my grip for penciling?
Have you coloured it?
Yeah, pen.
With what? That pen?
Yeah.
Naughty.
And then you can and you can go. Oh, where's my rubber? Oh, it's there. Also, a pimple rubber, obviously, part 1 and part 2.
Right, now we need to cut.
Actually, no, from part 2, that's in. People of the world, my name is Crystal. No! My pimple came off! Yes, I saved it. I put it back on the glue. I put it back on the glue. Put it back on the glue.
Well done.
Pimple, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to die today. It's gone.
Okay. Does that make it dry quicker?
No.
Sneeze on it.
There's a lot of glue.
Hmm?
I feel like we use more glue than cardboard.
Probably. Have we got enough sticks? Yeah.
You have loads and loads of sticks. How much was it?
The glue gun. It's about £5.50.
That's quite good.
With the glue sticks.
That is good. With the plastic bag
What plastic bag?
in the glue stick.
Yes.
That is good.
And a box.
That is good. £5.50.
Hmm. Or £5.49. Feels good, doesn't it?
The link is in the description below if you want a Revelev. No, what's it called?
Topolex.
Topalev. If you want a Topalev.
Oh no, it's a Topolex. Topolec. It's a K. Topolec.
We've been saying Topalev.
Yeah. Topolec.
So,
Topolec.
if you want a Topalev hot glue gun with 50 hot glue sticks, which is amazing, for £5.50 from online, the link is in the description below.
There we go. Right, we need to... Knife. Okay.
I'm sorry, but my face has gone blue. Dad, I'm sorry about my face.
What's that? My phone.
Yeah. What? What? What's so funny? Tell me that.
You emulating my...
Are you in the camera? Yes, you are.
What?
Dad, I'm just going. What's wrong with doing?
I mean, no, what my brain was saying, I recognised that tune. And I'm like, what is it? What is it? What is it? And it's like, oh my god, it's the alarm. Crystal's pretending to be an alarm.
No, I'm not pretending to be a liar. It's just that noise.
You look like one.
I don't.
Oops. Just turn that.
Dad!
Don't be laugh. Crystal is dancing to the alarm.
No, I'm vibrating because the phone vibrates.
Oh, is it vibrating?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, Crystal is vibrating in sync to the... Whoa! Crystal, careful.
It wasn't me.
Wasn't
No.
specifically wasn't.
Do you know, I heard of this life hack. Hot glue rubs out pencil. Dad, it does!
Is it?
It just rubbed off. You rub the pencil up there, don't glue. Move, please. Put your finger there, mate. Matey, put your finger there. Turn it sideways. Turn it this way. Yes, this way. That's better. No. Yeah, no, yes, that's way.
Now,
The other
other side. Head fight.
What are you doing?
Head
You're
fight. Head fight. Who can get the spiky bit first? Come on.
Maybe I got it first.
That's all. Now can you stick the inside in?
Oh, that.
Yeah. Take away the tape. Take the tape off.
Okay.
Okay. On the other side. And then this bit here.
It looks like a mini.
Does that? If you look at that, does that look symmetrical? Does that look alright?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Right, we need to stick this.
The camera died, so we put the Osmo action on, and now it is in a different position. So if that is why you're wondering, this is our answer. So hi
Right.
peeps again.
We've had a
Quite a long
well,
break.
quite a long break. It wasn't a break. We've actually been around town looking for Crystal's new
Glasses.
glasses.
I haven't got them on,
and
but
get
I
these
will in the
adjusted
next
because these were a
video.
little tight, and they're feeling better now.
Yeah. So in the next video, not the Mini Cooper video, but the one after the Mini Cooper video, I'll be wearing new glasses.
Yep. So we've got to this point of making the car,
And my dad did this thing.
and we've added a.
Joystick.
I think it's the
Wires.
speedometer in the middle. We're making the centre console. Oh, here we go. I think I made a thing for that. Template.
I kind of ate this cardboard, but I
Right.
won't.
Oh, Mr. Smart here. Thank you for your template. But it really does need some other pages to make it clearer.
It's a duck! It's another duck! It's another duck! It's another...
We have
got
another duck.
We have another duck. Oh my god, we have another duck. Dad, we have another duck.
Quack, quack.
Shh. Yes. So, attention! Ow! Ow! Why is there a random firework?
Hmm?
There's a random fire. Yes, good boy.
2,
7.
3,
Bobby the
4,
Billy
5,
Dog,
6,
can we
7,
fix it?
8,
Bobby the Billy
9,
Dog, yes
10,
we
11,
can.
12,
Reflexing,
13,
Venom.
14,
How
15,
about it?
16,
we
17,
can make the
18,
job come
19,
true.
20.
I will knock the
Let go, let
building
go.
down and we can
Let
all
go.
celebrate you.
Minutes.
Bobby the Billy Dog, kan vi fira se? Bobby the Billy Dog, yes vi kan. If Trixie and Venom.
Right, now look, Mr. Gear. Look, he's just put here seats, and he hasn't even put what measurement, size, anything. What does that mean? Seats. Oh, I'm gonna have to take a guess at these. Right. Hello.
People,
Welcome back.
hi.
We've been making a lot of intricate bits, so we thought we'd just get on with it. Crystal's just strengthening the base of the car, and Crystal will present it shortly. What are you doing? Waiting for it to dry?
Yeah. So, now I'm gonna come and present. So, obviously, we have the vroom vroom car. That's one side.
And we'll show you the other side and making more of the Mini in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and click on the notification bell icon below. Thank you. Bye bye.